Hi, I'm Margaret, and today I'm making my version of these delicious Levain cookies. It was Delight's household that suggested I made these. I hadn't even heard of them before, so I had to do lots of research for this one, but it was well worth it, as they're gorgeous. I'll put a link to Delight's household's channel in the description below so you can visit them. Thanks for your suggestion, guys. The trick to these cookies, I believe, is to have them nice and crisp on the outside and then lovely and gooey and chocolatey in the middle. They are also quite chunky as well. So I've reduced the sugar so they don't spread so much, used a little less butter as well, and added a little more flour to make them a little bit more stable. Oh, and I've also increased the amount of chocolate chips to try and give them a little bit more shape. Well, while I've been talking, I've creamed the butter and sugar together, added the vanilla, and the dry ingredients have just gone in for a good mix. So when this is done, I'm not going to overmix it. I need to add the milk and the white chocolate chips, quite a few of them. There's 400 grams here because these cookies are really, really chocolatey and gooey. There we go. Now I'm going to chill this so that the butter in the mixture helps to go a little bit more solid. And out comes the orange chocolate. Now I thought this might be quite nice in chunks on top of the cookies to give that lovely orange flavour. And of course the best orange chocolate to use is Terry's chocolate orange. Apparently the bakery that make these use 6-ounce chunks for each cookie, so I can only fit 2 on a tray. And here's my little addition of orange chocolate on top. Now, through trial and error, I've discovered the best way to do these is to freeze them first. So into the freezer they go. Now I'm a belt and braces sort of person, so I'm going to use these crumpet rings to help keep the shape. And a little scrunched up baking paper will stop it sticking to anything. I'll take these little rings off partway through the baking, and then they will spread and have more of a cookie shape. In goes the frozen cookie dough. It needs squashing right down. And here's the finished cookies. Thanks for watching. Take care.